The UserTerminal Touch control panel consists of a large touchscreen, as well as traditional haptic buttons. Also, on this front end of the control panel, we have the magnetic safety lanyard and the emergency stop button. If the button is pressed, it needs to be released by pulling it out. On the side of the control panel, we do have an USB interface. On the lower end of the control panel, you will see the interfaces. We have Ethernet, USB ports as well as the serial interface. The RS-232 to connect external devices like ECG or CPET. In addition, we have the interface for the emergency stop or the safety arch pull stop. To turn on the treadmill, the main switch on the front end of the whole treadmill needs to be activated. Afterwards, the power switch at the control panel needs to be activated. Press it 2 seconds, and it will start shortly.